Hey, I'm Justin, aka Diabetech, and this is the Libre 3 Plus sensor. Today I'm putting one of these on for you and giving you my top tips. This sensor measures glucose levels every minute through interstitial fluid. It lasts 15 days and connects directly to my smartphone so I can see my levels, get alerts, and share my levels with friends and family. It's indicated for people living with diabetes aged 2 and older. This one just expired, so it's time to put on a new one. I get asked all the time, does the Libre 3 Plus sensor last the full 15 days? The answer is yes. So watch as I take this one off, just how sticky it is. Look at like all of that residue. So it stays on super duper well. I also like to use an alcohol swab to clean off the residue from my last sensor. The nice thing about the FreeStyle Libre 3 Plus sensor is just how small it is. Now let's open up this new one. Now check out this applicator. Not only is the FreeStyle Libre 3 Plus sensor the smallest wearable sensor, but the applicator is one of the smallest I've seen. 15 days is a long wear time for a sensor, so only having to switch out my FreeStyle Libre 3 Plus sensor twice a month is one of my favorite features. But I always hear, how do you keep it on? Well, hands down, the most important thing you need to do when putting on a new sensor is cleaning the area with an alcohol swab. So I'll do that right now. It's gonna go on this arm now. I like to rotate arms, but you don't have to. Cleaning the area removes oils, lotions, and dirt that can be on the body. But keep in mind that cleaning the area will not protect the sensor from a person with diabetes' worst nightmare, the door frame. Dun, dun, dun. Once that area dries, you are ready to use the applicator. This is super easy to apply a sensor with, and it's great for people who have challenges to dexterity. Super simple. Just twist it open. You can actually see the sensor and the needle inside right there. All you need to do is place the applicator on the arm, push down, and voila, the sensor is on my arm. Once it's on, I rub around it 3 to 5 times, and I push down on it just to get a better adhesion. The final step is connecting it to the Libre app on your phone. Just click Start New Sensor, and then apply the new sensor. We did that. And scan new sensor. So I'll take my phone and apply it right over the sensor, and there you go. And the 60-minute warm-up has begun. Let's speed up the time. That was the fastest hour of my life. Check it out. I've got readings on my phone and I am good to go. On the app, users have lots of great settings and info. There are customizable alert settings. One of my favorites is silence mode. This puts all alerts on silent for up to 6 hours, which is great for movies or a Broadway show. There's also an Insights tab, where users get advanced data on levels and can learn about their trends and patterns. There's also a great secure cloud-based diabetes management system called LibreView, where users can get an even deeper look at glucose trends and share them with their healthcare team. If you've got questions, drop those in the comments, and thank you for watching. You can try out the Libre 3 Plus sensor today for free. Check out that link down in the show notes. I'm Justin, and I'll tech you later.